I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a heavy 18/10 stainless pan and cleaning it thoroughly. This removes manufacturing oils that prevent seasoning. Heat the pan on medium until it's evenly warm. Do not overheat. Once done, add a thin film of high smoke point oil across the surface and tilt to coat. You want a barely visible sheen. This initial layer creates the foundation for polymerized oil. Make sure the pan is uniformly warm so the oil bonds evenly when you proceed to the next step. You now create durable layers by heating the oiled pan to its light smoking point and holding for 2 to 3 minutes. That temperature polymerizes the oil onto the metal. Let it cool slightly, then wipe away any excess with a clean paper towel. Repeat this heating and wiping cycle 3 to 5 times. Each pass builds a harder, more even coating. Make sure you keep heat controlled. If the oil smokes heavily or turns black, it's burning rather than bonding. So lower the flame and start the pass again. You finish by testing the surface with a thinly buttered piece of bread or an egg. It should release and brown evenly. If sticking occurs, perform 1 or 2 additional seasoning cycles. For routine cleaning, use warm water and a soft sponge. Avoid heavy detergents and steel wool that strip the layer. If the coating becomes patchy or has sticky spots, strip residues with hot soapy water, dry, then repeat seasoning. This targeted reseason cures imperfections without starting from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.